Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Very quick video for you today. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear light cluster on a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero or Shogun, depending on where you are in the world. Now this is what you need to do to actually replace the bulb, so it's quite simple. What you're going to do, open up your boot fully. We're just going to need one tool, which is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. And with that Phillips screwdriver, all we're going to do is undo these 2 Phillips screws here. Take them all the way out. And what we're going to do, one hand behind there, and we're just going to pull it back straight away from the car, rotate it down, and now you'll see this cable here. Pull it out of the hole, clip on the top, and that's your connection there. Now you don't have to do this to actually remove the light bulbs. You can do it with it hanging off. I just like to go and do it so you can do it on a different surface. So these are each of your light bulbs here. So looking at the top, we've got indicator, reverse, tail and brake. So there's your indicator bulb. There's your reversing light bulb. And there is your dual tail and brake light bulb. To put it back in, stir up the electrical connection by pushing it together. Put the cable back down there. Line up the 2 back clips. Push it towards the front of the car and then replace our 2 screws. So on the other side, slightly different. We're just on the inside of the hinges on the other side, so over on the right hand side of the car. And there's 1 screw here and 1 screw here. When you pull the light off, actually have the door closed. And there we go. That's how easy it is to remove and replace the rear light cluster on a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero or Shogun. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.